on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to be doing some light reading inside of our new module, Titanoboa Favorites Project Interacting with Annual Contract with Titanoboa. So let's get and dive right in. In this section, we'll go over the process of interacting with annual contracts using Titanoboa. Now that we've deployed our contract, favorites contract.vite, we will go ahead and interact with it. We will start by doing this. Starting favorite number equals favorites contract.retrieve function. Then we will use a print statement with an F string like this. We'll say print F string starting favorite number is. We're going to pass in the parameter of starting favorite number. What we are doing in these lines of codes is getting our stored favorite number from our favorites contract.vite contract file using the retrieve function, and then we are storing it in a variable called starting favorite number. We are then using a print statement with an F string to print the favorite number we just retrieved. And then we'll say something like print storing number, favorites contract.store 33. This time we are stating that we will be storing a new favorite number after we have printed the original number, which will look like this, storing number. And then we will store a new number to our favorites contract, the same way we stored the original number by using the store function, which will look like this. Let me move down a little bit. So you can see we have favorites contract.store 33. And that's how we're going to store the new number. And I'm going to leave it right there for now. I don't want to move too fast and go too far ahead. But yeah, we're going to pick back tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.